Your customers are buried under an avalanche of digital noise. Between WhatsApp messages, Instagram DMs, and TikTok alerts, grabbing consumer attention in Malaysia's digital economy has never been harder. This chart highlights the sharp contrast in actual engagement. While the average marketing email limps along with a 20% open rate, SMS messages boast a 98% open rate, with the vast majority read within 3 minutes of delivery. Despite this near-perfect reach, standard workflows are failing. Inboxes are filled with messages that never arrive, leaving customers waiting for OTPs that vanish and promotions that never land. The culprit is often hidden in the back end. To shave fractions of a cent off their operational costs, businesses rely on cheap, unverified international SMS gateways. A 98% statistical open rate is useless if the underlying infrastructure drops the text before it ever clears a carrier firewall. Every single text message has to physically travel through a complex web of global telecommunications infrastructure before it lights up a screen. Look at this network map. When a business uses a cheap global aggregator, the data packet is forced into multiple erratic jumps across international borders as the provider searches for the cheapest possible route. As those packets bounce around the globe, they accumulate latency. These unverified international routes often trigger local telco firewalls, meaning your crucial transaction alerts get quietly blocked. Motion API offers a premium local alternative. Instead of an international maze, the architecture shifts to a direct, low-latency pathway straight into Malaysia. Once the vector reaches the destination, it splits cleanly to integrate directly with Malaysia's dominant mobile network operators, CelcomDigi, Maxis, and U-Mobile. Low-latency, direct local connectivity is the only architectural foundation capable of supporting instant transactional security. It ensures your OTPs arrive immediately, preventing abandoned checkouts. Moving from the physical cables to the operational layer, businesses need a bridge to connect their internal systems to this high-speed network, and that crucial bridge is Motion's REST API. This flowchart illustrates how that integration works. Existing platforms like Shopify or Salesforce slot right into the central API hub, giving you the firepower to broadcast thousands of messages simultaneously without custom coding. And when those return packets light up with green checkmarks, you are seeing real-time delivery reports in action. It eliminates operational guesswork by confirming exact message receipt. Add two-way SMS capabilities to the mix, and those passive broadcasts transform into interactive workflows. You can automatically process opt-outs or collect customer feedback without manual intervention. Pair those workflows with a recognizable 5-digit shortcode, like the 62 prefix numbers in Malaysia, and you cut straight through consumer scam paranoia with immediate brand credibility. Direct local routing combined with robust API tools provides the speed and interaction necessary for high ROI business operations. Ensuring messages arrive is only half the battle. Because MCMC regulations and PDPA guidelines in Malaysia are so specific about sender IDs and URL formats, your routing needs to be natively compliant with local laws to avoid being flagged as spam. Utilizing unverified international providers that ignore these local configurations will trigger filters. These regulatory violations don't just delay messages, they permanently damage your brand's sender reputation. This brings us to pricing. The most common financial trap in this industry is chasing rock-bottom per-unit costs, which ignores the price of paying for messages that are never actually delivered. This side-by-side chart exposes that hidden failure rate. On the left, a seemingly cheap price is inflated by failed deliveries and hidden international surcharges. On the right, Motion provides a transparent, pay-as-you-use model that scales cleanly with your business volume. Switching to a premium local provider secures the conversion funnel and fortifies consumer trust by ensuring every intended interaction actually happens. Start a free trial with Motion API today and experience reliable, high-speed SMS delivery for your business.